Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Udupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Mithili Gaurishankar, going to teach you SYBCBI in Information Technology in Banking and Insurance. We are in the semester 3. First, we are going to see what are the modules we are available in this semester. First module is Introduction to Electronic Commerce. Second one, e-banking. Third one, related to the package of MS Office. And fourth one, cyber law and cyber security. In banking and insurance, information technology plays a major role nowadays. So, we want to know the knowledge of information technology and what are the opportunities and availability of technology in the field. Now we are going to see the introduction of electronic commerce. Electronic commerce, in short, they used to say e-commerce, is the process of doing business electronically. It involves the automation of a variety of business to business and business to customer transactions through reliable and secure connections. The security of the connection is very important in electronic commerce. What are the features of e-commerce? We are going to see first one, ubiquity. Ubiquity means found everywhere. For the transaction of goods or money, availability of e-commerce everywhere is necessary. That is the first feature. With e-commerce, it is possible to shop from desktop, at office, at home, even when you are traveling. There is no need to visit the physical marketplace. Wherever you are, you can order the product, it will be receiving to your place. Nowadays, we are experiencing that with many applications. Second one, global reach. E-commerce technology permits commercial transaction to cross the national boundaries and can reach to any corner of the globe. So if we are ordering outside country also, overseas also, we can get the product from there and we can transact our money to buy the product or order the product also. So in business, e-commerce plays the major role nowadays. Next one, universal standards is there. One unusual feature of e-commerce technology is that technology stands of the internet are universal standards. They are shared by all nations around the world. The terms and conditions followed by e-commerce are same to all over the world countries. It is richness, showing the richness if we are using the e-commerce. It refers to richness in providing information to the customers. Information about the product is provided to the customer by using audio or video. So before selecting or choosing or ordering any product, we can see the features of the product, audio related to the reviews of users, or audio related to how to use the product, and also video related all the features, how to use, what are the drawbacks, how the material will used in that product, how we want to handle that product, and also the customer reviews are available in the video format also. So this shows that in one place or sitting at home, we can feel the richness of selecting the product using all these features available in the e-commerce. Interactivity. E-commerce allows two-way communication between merchant and customer, and also communication can be with email or online chatting, etc. So merchant and customer direct communication will be taking place in interactivity of e-commerce, and any doubt or how to use the product and feedback of the product, everything can be interact with the merchant through chatting or email. The facility are available. This will be helping in developing the business in next level. Information density. Internet is making information more useful and important than ever. Important of internet is very necessary in e-commerce. Information becomes more plentiful, less expensive and of higher quality. So all the features, video, audio, which is helping for us to select the product is available through the information density. All the information are available in one area or one application or one platform. Next, personalization. Merchant can target their marketing messages to specify individual by adjusting the message to a person's name, interest and also past purchases. So the merchant can send personalized message of discount to the category of people who have visited to the shop more than once or the platform more than once, or if they are visited first time, or if they are giving suggestion to their friends. Like that, different discount can be given according to the customer. It can be personalized. It also helpful in increasing the business. Social networking. Merchant can allow the user to create and share contents in the form of text, video, music or photos with worldwide community. Using these forms of communication, user able to create new social networks and strengthen existing ones. So improve the business ahead. These are the latest trend using by the business people, where capturing text or videos, music or photo are uploaded. Even we can see in many applications in the middle, many capturing clippings of products will be available, videos will be available, which make us to choose the product efficiently in less time. Now we are going to see what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business. E-commerce, in e-commerce there is commercial transaction involving exchange of value, that is money. But in e-business, it is the digital enablement of transaction and process within a firm, involving information system under the control of the firm, does not include commercial transactions. This is the difference of the e-commerce and e-business. There are types of e-commerce. So how the e-commerce is processing? This is the diagram we are seeing in the screen. First, the raw material supplier send the material to manufacturer. Manufacturer, after making the product, send to distributor. Distributor send to retailer, then to customer. This is the chart of business. From raw material supplier to retailer, it is business to business communication. But retailer to customer is the business to customer communication. We are going to see in detail. Business to customer, it is the form of electronic commerce in which the product or services are sold from a firm directly to customer. So we have experienced this using the website Amazon.com or Flipkart.com, etc. Business to business communication, it is the form of electronical commerce in which products or services are sold from a firm to another firm. It is performed in much higher volume than B2C customer. For example, shop to gather.com is the example for this, where the business people send the product to business people, then that business people give the product to retailers. So from manufacturer also that product will be reaching to the business people. So this is business to business, where huge big order will be placed and it is supplied to the business people. Next one, customer to customer. It is the form of electrical commerce in which the products or services are sold from one customer to another customer with the help of online market maker such as the auction site eBay. That is example ebay.com. So one customer is having some product, if he or she want to sell to some other person, in ebay.com if we are registering, then other customer who is in need of it, through action they can get the product. So this is customer to customer service. Peer to peer service is there. It is a form of electrical commerce in which user can share files and computer resource directly without having to go through a central web server, BitTorrent.com. So directly peer to peer it can be shared. In BitTorrent, many films are posted by the peer. Other peer can use it and download it to share the movies, to see the movies. Sorry. Customer to business, next one. In customer to business, there is a complete reversal of the traditional sense of exchanging goods. This type of commerce is very common in crowd obtaining based project. So this is used in less place, but it will be covering major crowd obtaining based projects. Next one, business to administration. This part of e-commerce encompasses all transactions conducted online between companies and public administrations. These types of service have increased considerably in recent years with investment made in e-government. So this is fully covering by e-government. So business to administration is another type of e-commerce. Now we are going to see different business models. Advertising revenue. A website that offers its user contents, services and or products also provides a forum for advertisement and receives free from advertiser. These are the things happening in website that is comes under advertising revenues. Website those who able to attract the greatest viewership, who able to charge higher advertising rates or comes under advertising revenue. Example, Yahoo. Next one, subscription revenue. A website that offers its customer contents or service charges a subscription fee for access or to some or all its offering. They may charge monthly annual subscription fee. The contents offered by such site must be a higher value added premium offering that neither is readily available elsewhere nor easily replicated. So these are premium site which comes under consumerreports.org. Next, transaction fee revenue. A company receives a fee for executing a transaction. For example, eBay provides an online auction marketplace and receives a small transaction fee from the seller if the seller is successful in selling the item. Already we have seen the eBay example. Same here for transaction fee revenue also. Sales revenue. Companies derive revenue by selling goods, information or service to customers. So Amazon is the best example for sales revenue. Next one, affiliate revenue. Sites that steer business to an affiliate receive a referral fee or percentage of the revenue from any resulting sales. That is used in My Points. Till now we have seen the business models. Now we are going to see limitations of e-commerce. E-commerce as being new technology, awareness of how to use it in the business is important. E-commerce suffers from security, authenticity, reliability and accessibility. E-commerce also suffer from bandwidth restrictions Therefore, some it is difficult to use. What are the advantages of e-commerce? Overcome geographical limitations. It is not limited to one area. It is overcoming, it is always available globally. Gain new customer with search engine visibility. So if anybody searching for particular product, using search engine visibility, we can contact that customer or send advertise to that customer and gain new customer to our product. Lowers cost. As it is sending through e-commerce, the cost of the product can be minimized. Locate the product quicker. So tracking the product is available in every application. It is the advantages of e-commerce. Eliminate travel time and cost. Time and cost of searching one product will be minimized and it is eliminated in e-commerce business. Provide comparison shopping. Comparing many products of different brandeds can be done in e-commerce and selection of the product is easy with our satisfaction. Enable deals, bargains, coupons and group buying. These are the possibility of getting the product through e-commerce. Provide abundant information. So if we are preferring to choose one product, information related and also feedback related, reviews related to the products are available. It is very conveniently and satisfactorily we can select the product before ordering. What are the disadvantages of e-commerce? E-commerce lacks personal touch. So the touching of the material before ordering is not possible in e-commerce. E-commerce delays goods. Sometimes if there is any problem in climate or traveling, the e-commerce may delays the product, but we can track it where it is available and we can have the hope of reaching on time. Some goods cannot be purchased online. So some of the things somebody have need the personal touch to buy the product. If it is expensive, some prefer to go directly and touch the material. If it is the cloth and work on the cloth, they like to experience before purchasing. That is the disadvantage of e-commerce. E-commerce does not allow you to experience the product before purchase. Just now we have discussed. Anyone can set up an e-commerce website. This is according to the security and also trust. Anyone can start the website saying and posting the product photos without having proper business. So this is the disadvantages where customer get disappointment. Last one, security. Security of getting the product and also transaction security is very important in e-commerce. Till now we have seen the basic idea of e-commerce. We'll continue in the next video about more detail of e-commerce. Thank you, students.